In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D text in Photoshop 2024. Whether you're designing a flashy graphic for a presentation or adding a creative touch to your digital art, learning how to create stunning 3D text is a practical skill to have. Let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you have Adobe Photoshop open on your computer. If you haven't already logged in or need to install it, you can do so from the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Once you're all set with Photoshop running, we can begin by creating a new project. Navigate to File in the top menu and select New to create a new canvas. Adjust the dimensions to fit your project needs. If you're unsure about what size to use, remember that larger canvases are great for detailed work, allowing more flexibility to adjust without losing quality. With your canvas ready, the next step is setting up a ruler line. This will help guide your text placement and ensure everything stays centered. Press Ctrl+R on your keyboard to bring up the rulers, then click and drag from the top or side ruler area to the center of your canvas to drop a guideline. This guiding line is incredibly handy for aligning elements symmetrically, ensuring your text will look balanced. Now, it's time to get creative with your text. Locate the text tool, typically represented by a T icon in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click it, and then click on your canvas where you would like to place your text. Type out the word or phrase you're designing in 3D. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and sizes until you find the perfect fit for your project. To make your text pop as 3D, we will now add some effects. With your text layer selected, find the Effects menu at the bottom of the Layers panel, represented by a small FX icon. Click on it and apply a stroke effect first, adjusting the thickness and color to your preference. Next, apply Emboss to give your text that three-dimensional appearance. Lastly, add an inner glow to subtly highlight the edges, further enhancing the 3D illusion. Spend some time tweaking the settings for each effect until you're happy with the overall look. Once your 3D text is looking just right, remember to save your work. Navigate again to File and choose Save As. Select your desired format, whether it's a Photoshop, PSD file for further editing, or a more universal format like JPEG or PNG for easy sharing. Saving regularly is a good habit to form as it ensures you don't lose your progress. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to create 3D text in Photoshop 2024. With practice, you'll surely be able to produce even more intricate designs. Thanks for watching and keep experimenting.